In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your drafts on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is open up our TikTok application. By default, you're going to be on your For page. And then all you want to go ahead and do is go to the bottom right where it has your profile icon. It's going to show all your posts, but before you see any of your posts, even your pinned ones, the very first thing that you're going to see is your draft. So it's going to show any drafts that you had, which is basically any post that you were going to make, but you didn't completely finish like posting them or anything. That's going to be your drafts. And obviously I only have one right now. It shows how much storage is taking up. But yeah, again, it says only you can see your drafts. Uninstalling TikTok will discard the drafts. So when I click on my draft, as you can see, I can edit it again and everything. I can go ahead and press next. I can edit it some more. I can post it now, or I can press drafts again. So it's up to you exactly what you want to do. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.